loud bang woke me up, which is impressive in itself as I was sound asleep. The best description of the sound I can give is it sounded like a vehicle getting T-boned at a fast speed. Right next to my bed. I got up, checked the house inside and out, looked in on my sleeping son, husband sleeping same room as I. Found nothing. Early morning about 3:30 same loud bang followed by similar noises. Checked around again, all good. Looked through camera recordings, nothing. I've had nightmares and night terrors most of my life. To avoid lengthy explanation, I'll just say this wasn't like that. My question is, what are the possible and most likely explanations for the noises?